down into simpler substance by any chemical means. Most students remember this definition but not understand the concept. Water, copper sulfate, gold. Can you split up water? Yes, we can split up water because it's made from hydrogen and oxygen. So the answer here is yes. Water can be split up into hydrogen and oxygen. The next question, can we split up hydrogen and oxygen? The answer is no, because hydrogen and oxygen cannot split up because they are an element. Now, can we split up copper sulfate? Yes, we can split up copper sulfate into copper sulfate and oxygen, but not split up copper sulfate and oxygen. Can you split up gold? We cannot split up gold because it's an element. So the answer is no. Can we divide it an element? The answer is yes. We can divide it an element into smaller and smaller. Consider this gold rod. From this gold rod, we can make a gold coin, which is smaller than gold in size, only in size. Can we divide it gold coins? Yes, we can divide it till gold atoms, but we cannot divide it gold atoms because it's an element. It's the last. And now let us closely look at Dalton's atomic theory. Dalton is a British chemist, physicist. He's famous for proposing atomic theory. Dalton's atomic postulate, 1803 to 1808. According to his postulate, the first postulate, all matter is made up of atoms. Water, copper, sulfate, sugar, and gold all are made of atoms. The second postulate, atoms are indivisible and indestructible. Consider copper wire, which is made of infinite number of copper atoms. These all infinite numbers of copper atoms cannot divide it, can't destroy, and can't create. Now consider the second example. Based on the second postulate, sulfur substance made from or made up of sulfur atoms, infinite number of sulfur atoms. This infinite number of sulfur atoms cannot divide it, cannot destroy it, and cannot create. The third postulate of Dalton, all atoms of a given element is identical. Now consider a gold ring, which is made of infinite number of gold atoms. In 1 mole of gold atoms, we have 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23 gold atoms. All these gold atoms have the same size, shape, and properties based on the third postulate of Dalton. The second example, sulfur substance. This sulfur substance made from infinite number of sulfur atoms. In 1 mole of sulfur atom, we have 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23 sulfur atoms. All these sulfur atoms have the same shape, the same size, and the same property based on the third postulate. The fourth postulate of Dalton atomic theory, atoms of different elements are different. Now look, sodium atom different from hydrogen atom, and hydrogen atom different from fluorine atoms, according to the fourth postulate of Dalton. The fifth postulate of Dalton, atoms combine in simple whole number ratios to form a compounds. Now consider carbon react with oxygen. Finally, it forms carbon dioxide. The ratio of carbon and oxygen here is 1 to 2. So 1 to 2 is in simple whole number a ratio.